Hi, I'm Navya, and this is my project 2. So step 1 was the doubly linked list, which test.dll showed here. Step 2 is reading inputs, which is shown by pressing any of these buttons. Step 3 was player aircraft movement, which happens when it moves side to side, and step 4 being firing at missiles, which I'm doing with the navigation key. Step 5 is detecting a missile and explosion, which we've seen so far. Step 6 is detecting animated CD, which we just saw down there. Step 7 is game over. And then we show step 8 by showing up all the active missiles at the end of the game that freed up by showing game over. And we see step 9 by having every missile leave earlier, and then advancing levels I will show now. Next, we have advancing levels. Fast forwarding through gameplay, when 10 points are reached, we level up. So if you notice here, we got the 10 point and leveled up. And I can also do this by pressing PB 1 and 3 together. So if you notice, it turns into level 2 and level 3. And also the missiles fall faster and they're more prevalent. And now I'll showcase a few of my advanced features. So one of them was a more complex explosion animation, which when we see is like concentric circles of 3 different colors. I added a lot of sound effects, such as the game start, which was included, but also when a missile hits the ground, as we just heard, or when it hits a city, like that, or when I hit one of the green power-ups, or when the game is over. So now I will show off another one of my advanced features, which is the pause button. It pauses gameplay and makes sure none of the other missiles are moving, and then I can press this again to effectively erase the square of text. And I will also show off another advanced feature, which is my power-up. So at random intervals, this green thing will appear, and when I shoot it, it removes the lowest missile, which I'll put in the replay. For the last feature, I have done multiple lives. So as we play the game, every 10 missiles shot is a level up, and then every other level, so every even level, is a restored lives in city. So as we shoot this missile, we notice that the city comes back down there as we've leveled up to level 2, and as a reward for staying alive, we get the cities back.